Wisdom Wednesdays. Last week we talked about why not to store natural stone and quartz outside. Essentially because the sunlight wears away at the resin and makes the slabs look faded and dingy. So that brought another question. What can we use for outdoor kitchens and bars? Two products in my opinion that are practical for outdoor use. The first is leathered or honed granite and quartzite. I'm not sure if you can see from this video, but this slab has been leathered using a machine in our shop. The machine will first take away the resin, which remember is the part that fades, and then uses diamond bristles to create the texture. The second product that can be used outdoors is porcelain. Porcelain is, as you can see from this pictures, it's really beautiful. It's non-porous, and most importantly, it does not fade. We've been using it a lot in wall cladding applications like showers, countertops, and you can certainly clad the outside of buildings as well because, again, it does not fade. Next week I'll be overseas in a porcelain plant, and I should be able to send a video from there. I appreciate you tuning in and hope these videos are educational.